kind of smell.
What the?
Like a baka.
Go get the crows. Go.
I tried kissing this bird and everything went wrong.
Oh, you okay?
And then it started screaming.
Hey, whoa! Wait,
What a nice...
Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing? No, get. Little chicken. Hi! What are you doing? Hi, Doug. Hi, Doug. What are you doing? What are you doing? Pretty cool. Hi! Hi! No, get. Little chicken.
you're fucking lying! Bitch! When the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. No. Alright. Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Hey Tango, can you come down here so I can check if you're clipped or not? Alright, let's take a look. Let me see your wings, good girl. Wow. Well, it would appear that you are not clipped at all, Tango.
Yeah, tell the puppy you love him. I love him.
Ooh.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
Who's a bird? Who's a bird? Who's a pretty bird? It's Angus McBangus, the Angus McBangus, Angus McBangus, McBangus, Angus McBangus, Angus McBangus, Angus McBangus, McBangus, Angus McBangus, Angus McBangus, Angus McBangus, McBangus.
Why are you angry? Why are you stompy? Why are you stompy? Is it because of these? You don't like these? You don't like it? Okay. Okay.
I'm fine. Let's happy bird. Let the sweet baby poop, 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 poop.